Everybody knows that if you want to be interesting, you have to avoid monotony at all costs. So if you are still here, now we will learn how to avoid monotony. You can tell people the most interesting story in the world, but if your voice is monotonous, nobody is really going to listen. So many people try to sound more interesting by talking fast. But monotony is not only talking slow, but also too fast, because then everything starts to sound the same just as well and people's thoughts just wander away. What did you say? This means everything that is repetitive becomes monotonous. So one of the best things to do is to play with the tempo of your voice. Instead of talking the whole time in the same tempo or with the same speed, you can say some sentences a bit faster and then some other ones a bit slower. What tempo you speak in is also dependent on the topic, of course. When talking about something fairly simple, you can easily step it up a notch. And when it's about something more complex, then take your time. But make sure to vary the tempo and play with it, because that's how you can captivate the attention of your audience or your conversation partner. Try it out. Do it today or tomorrow when you're with your roommates, your partner, or your colleagues. For instance, when you tell them a story. Play with the tempo and observe how people are closely listening to you, because your voice is so much more exciting now. They love it, and trust me, you love it just as much. If you have some advice of your own that might be helpful to others, write it down in the comments. This way we can all help each other and learn from each other. Also, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click that little bell icon too, so you get notified every time there is a new video with useful tips and tricks. Thank you and have a great day.